Where I met last night, man, I was just on me. Tell you about this girl where I met when she went up.
Kata, this is not you. This is not you. I can't believe this. Kata, this is not you. In fact, for this hair, I'm going to send you 25 million naira.
Oh my God! Jesus! You are mad. You have not paid for hair and you are talking to a girl. You look for another place and germinate this your hair.
Yeah! Yeah!
So welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. I'm OBIKING. Guys, please make sure you watch this video to the very end because I promise you this video is a banger. You understand? You are gonna enjoy yourself. Trust me on that. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you do that. Drop nice comments while watching and remember to share this video. So don't play my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Do you know this challenge that is going on online? No. Come, let me teach you. Suspect where they thief meat for my pot. Wait till say I don't know, but I know.
Sorry, ma.
It's okay. Your turn.
Suspect wey be say as oga no dey, she dey come and come do tatata.
You dey craze? Something they worry you for it. Why are you taking it this far?
So this is what you do when I'm not around.
Honey, I can explain.
Explain
Don't
what?
put yourself for trouble.
You! I trusted you as my security. You are doing the suspect challenge when I never suspected you.
When they put herself for trouble. Now like this, when they put herself for trouble, one after the other.
When you don't say no go sit.
You don't kill him. I saw you die, you.
Solo.
All this nonsense challenges that they do. Now they put herself for trouble.
My son.
Now the goat say me I bring now be this. Thank you, Baba.
As you bring this goat come, every spirit of womanizer inside you, don't come out. From now henceforth, you gonna see woman come out eye.
I don't come my phone. Hello. I don't fit tell you now. I say you can also start making money from bets by joining King Solomon Telegram group. They give free tips and predictions on how to win bets.
This na
free.
bet and all this.
Take you to that Telegram group. No be money they take the join and everything be. Baba, you just say this one you do for me go work, Abi.
Now great you could talk him.
Thank you, Baba.
Why they look woman? Now be say this one Baba do for me no work. I feel one now. I feel you this boy. I mean tell you to say me no dey dress like woman also. Come on, this for your head, Joe.
Hey!
Rubbish. You know the hear word? No be they say me come out that week for head. They craze. What's wrong?
Mumu no want to see one.
Why I go dey admire man? No.
Mozkoh, you no get sense. As we dey try make the show ministry.
My people of Abuja,
As we dey try make the show ministry.
I bring you something prolific, something victorious, and something great.
I'll give you something prolific, something nice.
Something prolific.
Okay, something prolific.
Baba, you go chop your mouth.
And you people saying they do interpretation. Now you want for me to test out for you. For small thing what they do. Tomorrow, November 30th, we'll be having live comedy for shortcuts.
Tomorrow, we could have small comedy for Abuja.
Oga, keep quiet.
Live comedy for shortcuts.
Live comedy for shortcuts.
And guys, it will be happening live at Fresco Hilton Congress Hall.
And live is happening for Congress.
Oga, speak your language now.
Congress Hall.
It's happening for Congress. Happening Fresco Hall.
See, if you hear my church again, man. Follow you, come on. Abuja, get your ticket for me.
Voila.
Hello, J Mama. How far now? I go join you. Somewhere they like this. Hey,
You know, even watch hand.
You know, I newly buy a car. And my boat I use them for. You gave me a carry a wife go last week. Okay. The one hotel I can't go. As I drop out for the hotel, I don't know what they give will be like. It be like frame. They say I should be the best customer of the year. Why did they talk? Everything happen.
You sabi you get.
The same thing they make me have the quarrel since morning. Today, my wife don't know when he open my tell me say he put poison for this food. That's God they do something.
So let me go do this one.
So now here where you did everything where they talk since I did inside the hearing. Upon everything what I tell you make you not talk, you come here, come open mouth, come they talk. I think. Thank God say now you even eat the food. Or you take water, make you take flush and down. Nonsense.
Even they drink and say they really they flush them down. Slim, you know get sense. Nothing you won't tell me. You be
So now who can rubbish with this one now?
Pluto.
Give me my money now.
How are they paying when you piss for us?
So I think it's gonna be peace with this now. You look and wear now.
What you call me?
I squared.
How are they wiping you sweat? Not be after while you finish I sleep, not be they break best so.
Professor, you check this thing now.
See, I didn't know the smell of peace. I didn't know the smell of squirt.
So what is this?
Pluto na peace.
Okay, tell me question. What is the name dry? When it's too dry, I will pay you.
This kind of thing now. Which kind of rubbish with this one now?
Pluto, they don't send a gift card though.
Sharp, you set to enjoy gift card. They do on 100 and on iPhone. You just shoot their app set to them. They don't scam anybody. Now they get the highest price for Nigerian market. They did fast, reliable, and safe to do it. Sharp.
Hey, Pluto, you fit still pay me with gift card though.
Madam, if you don't wash this bed, be dry, not if you pay. You know your soft now billions, eh? Okay. After I don't have bed in the room, I can't go my room. So when this bed dry anytime, I cannot go back to my room.
Pluto, you all get patience. Now more time with this, so you go so dry.
Hey! Make the bed fair dry.
And to see your life. Stop juju, you know here. See, now you don't dey mad.
Are you the mad or swore? What is at least a bit prank person, Abi? I'll deal with you.
It's okay.
This boy, this village, you know, contain me and you.
Thunder, fire.
Rubbish.
What do you want?
Wait, see, forget about this, my head. Give me 3 days. This hair will grow.
Jesus! When your hair germinates, come and talk to me.
So, sir, why you?
What style would you love to barb?
I need this style.
You don't get hair now.
Don't worry, sir. It's our work.
You don't get hair. You dey baba this guy one.
I'm done, sir. Just give me a minute, sir.
You don't know come out. You don't know come out. Sharp. No.
Tell you about this girl where I met last night, man, I was just on me. Tell you about this girl.
You don't even pay for festival. You don't pay festival. You don't make it for you.
This is not you. I can't believe this. Kata, this is not you. In fact, with this hair, I'm going to send you 25 million naira.
Oh my God! You are mad. You have not paid for hair and you are talking to a girl. You look for another place and germinate this your hair.
Hey, my baby girls.
This guy no get sense.
People like to go and spend their Christmas vacation.
Equatorial Guinea.
What is why people say it at the same time?
What's going on here?
Then they give women something for Equatorial Guinea.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let them go to Guinea and spend their Christmas vacation.
No, chief. No. That place will be a good place. So.
Are you serious?
They plan. No go there.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
You go finish you now.
No, take your time. Hey, don't worry, we'll book the flight for you people, eh?
Thank you, Daddy.
Breaking news.
But Bank has been released from custody.
Suspect. Aha. Suspect not get shishi for pocket. They carry woman up and down.
Dissolve!
Why you kill you there? Now this the same way you wear your papa tonight, they knock your mama belly. See today we not see him again. He die run.
Mommy,
Suspect. I'm gonna get pia. Look me. You they follow him, they do suspect. No wahala. Koya. Very soon go turn you to spare tire. I don't talk about.
Baby, not marry this old man. Now old age now they worry am.
I know in our old age they worry. But what an old man see while sitting down? If me and you climb the Iroko tree, we no go face. Hey! I don't face the reason I'm saying you no get shishi. But my mind say make I try my luck. Jesus. Sorry, oh my brother. Anything poverty, we no get things in common. You see this relationship, so it no fit work.
Jesus.
Wow.
You're welcome.
I have my sister, how is it? Just please, I want to withdraw.
Transfer or card, sir?
Yeah, transfer.
I'm sorry, my network is bad. Can you use your card?
I don't have card, yo. How are we going to do it now? Even when I'm rushing.
Alpha now?
Well done, sir.
Our family?
Yes, sir. Fine.
You want to withdraw, eh?
Yeah.
The network is very bad, you understand? But you can transfer to my OP account number, you understand? I will use my card to withdraw for you.
Are you working here?
I don't understand. I'm not working here now. I want to do a favor. You're asking me questions. Is something wrong with you? It's like you're not ready.
No, don't go.
This guy's club now.
Go in far place.
I've been waiting.
Okay, so I should transfer to you so that I will now use your card.
I know.
Okay, let's do it. So, OP, Abi?
Yeah, OP.
All right.
See my card here.
Okay. What is the account number, sir?
224445. You see my name there now?
Baba Kayode.
That's my name, eh? Okay.
Thanks so much, sir.
That's okay. Do it. It's okay.
I've seen it.
You go to come out.
50,000.
Oh, okay. I will do it now, eh? Take.
So it says insufficient funds.
Insufficient funds?
What do you mean?
Try it again.
Sir, still
Let's transfer 50K. Just now.
Which man did you send it to?
It's OP that you say I should do it to now.
OP, Bao. Are you okay? I said Pampe.
No, it's OP. Are you not here when you say I should do it to OP?
I said Pampe. It's my Park Pay account. I said you should send it to you. I send it to OP. What's wrong with you?
I know you don't say Pampe.
Are you saying I don't have sense?
Hey, you don't slap on
looking like this, your money is gone. Because I'm only OP 100,000 naira and 50,000 out to your land here. So if you have another 50,000 naira, you can send to my assets.
What people will come here, I could have.
It's like a cracking joke.
I don't understand.
Are you trying to be funny?
Funny how? Do I look like Bobby?
You are resembling basket man.
Okay, is that not ready, Abi?
Kill us all. What happened to that? Where's my 50,000?
Okay.
I'm not leaving you. My salary is 50,000. You say go and send you another one. You want to scam me?
The network is not good now. But you can send it to my OP account number. I will use my card. Don't worry.
You don't want to front. You want to give another person.
What did you tell him?
You get mine though.
So for 2 months, no lights here. You get mine, come here, make you cut light, Abi. Jesus. What's what you do for you? You get luck.
You run sharp.
I'm watching the hammer here.
Don't mind the suspect, though. Look at this monkey.
Don't dare, my friend.
Voila.
Hunger don't collect some department for inside my brain. Mix them with water.
You know chopper. I'm not sure if you chopper.
How is that possible?
How? I don't understand.
I put water pepper inside that pepper soup.
I can't die. Are you serious?
You can't die, how?
I don't understand. Normal guys they come here, can't do money ritual and sacrifice. You they come here, can't they borrow money? This may look like Lakpo for your face. Sham no say you don't fit die until you pay my money.
I just sent 1 million to the church account for my tithes. Hold on, let me pray for you. You will live long. You will prosper. In Jesus' name. Amen. Right, my son. You know what? This night, you will do the night looking for your sake. You will live forever.
I'm talking to you. What do you mean?
I'm just a chill guy.
What's that, brother?
I'm just a chill guy. Not a baby chill guy.
Am I speaking to Mr. Cypher?
Yes.
Just calling you to let you know that you just won the 10 million naira lottery.
You?
This man cut call.
Oh, you Brodda.
You sure say ready to pay in debt?
Oh, well.
Omo, this my babe, they bust my head. What did she do? She just posted me on her WhatsApp status. Oh, wait, the sick caption, eh?
Your babe knows say you like all these things. Now why should they do am?
What do you mean?
See, women are dangerous. Oh. Your babe go post another man tomorrow, block you. You no go see am.
It's a lie.
Okay, if your babe block you, post another man, how you want take me?
That's true.
Come, let me teach you something. Come. First thing, get another phone. Get a new SIM. Open a new WhatsApp. Make she not know secret WhatsApp. Look for a way to get her phone.
Babe,
number inside.
Can you please help me with your phone? I want to make a call. I don't have network. Thank you.
Make sure you save that number on her phone without her knowing about it.
I did exactly what you said. See something? I didn't see this status here. I didn't see her here. I see this one. She don't post man. I know they see her here. She blocked me.
Let me explain something to you.
Explain what? Explain what?
He's just my friend. He's my friend. I have nothing to do with
It's just your friend. And you're posting many hearts. Do you see from here? If not because of my friend, I wouldn't have noticed this.
Please, it's just my friend.
Now why will they call him goat? Now why
Goat just for
he always
relationship.
turn up. He know he go turn up. He go turn up.
Goat better spoil first relationship.
I love you, baby. You gonna send the money for me.
Eh.
I love you, baby. I'm gonna marry you.
You marry who? You're very stupid. Hello? See, I don't care to know who you are. I want you to stay away from a man. If you quote this line again, what I will do to you, you don't like it. You're very stupid. You are the one that's making my boyfriend not to take care of me. You're very stupid. You are my
Are you married?
So beat someone.
Yahoo, I just start today. Don't run the spoil work for me.
Give me this phone, job, brother. I don't mind it. Hello?
This one. Who will be this one?
Yes, please don't mind who was talking. Yes, you're gonna send the money for inside UBA bank.
You gonna send.
Yes, that card, send Glow card.
Come on, fire you. Now Glow they send. Hello, baby. You see the hobbies that solve you, of course, now.
No, this is your girlfriend, I person. The person there, they talk to clients. They talk, say, my man. This person a man.
I know be man, then what am I?
Any man that doesn't have money, now waiting.
Now woman.
Eh?
Okay, that's a Ngozi.
Yes. At least I'm here for him now that he has nothing. I was there for him when he had nothing. Don't destroy person's future. You are stupid. You are mad. You are mad. You don't have sense. It is you that don't have sense. In fact, you are leaving this house today. I am not leaving. Is it not me and my brother's house? You are leaving this house today. Come and carry me now. Let's bet. Let's bet now. I'll bet you. Come for us.
Who plays?
So where are we going?
I don't know. Where do you think we should go? Maybe under the bridge now.
Can't you go to your father's house?
Which father? My father is in the village.
I love you very, very well.
Festus.
Madam, good morning.
Festus.
Yes, ma'am.
I won't travel go on it. Go see my sister. And I never know when I will come back. So I won't promote you for this business.
Wait, ma. You say you won't promote me for this restaurant business? Ma, thank you. Thank you. I don't define this promotion since. Thank you, ma. Hey.
I won't make you day in charge of this shop. I think you know as I they use do things. Like don't put I know as I they use slice onions, cook soup. Go fit go market, come back.
Yes, ma. If you go market, I buy anything you want make a cook.
No problem. But the problem be say you get one thing we I won't tell you. And I don't know whether you go feed one for me.
And ma, you just promote me. Anything you want, I go do one for you.
You go feed one.
I go do one.
You know that girl where they work with us?
That fair girl.
That girl. I won't make you sucker.
What sucker? Ma, I can't you get that CB now. Today we just promote me. Say make a sack person.
You go sack him, I be make I sack you.
Okay, ma, I go sack him. I go try.
Why you not sack him by yourself before you promote this?
And my husband carry and come this shop. The thing no they sweet me at all. I won't make you sack him for me. So that I go village, go bring my own sister. Keep for this shop. So that she go dey benefit things from me. She go dey chop my money. I go no say na my sister they enter for. I don't like her. She won't for this business for me. You don't hear waiting I dey talk.
No wahala, ma.
I no want make she know say na me tell you to sack her. And I won't make this thing there between only me and you. Make another ear no hear her. I don't they go
Okay, ma.
Take care of the shop.
Okay, ma.
Take care of the shop.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Hi. So now me in charge of this place now.
You sure say no be who they say me side with this?
God, they happy for you. Me and you, they work for how many years now? You, mother, don't give promotion. I go bring you. Celebrate.
Lizzie. I beg, come, I beg. Just sit down, I beg.
Yes, Dan. Bestos.
Lizzie, I beg, get what I want to tell you.
What's happened? Talk now, what's it?
You know what's in there, no worry. No worry.
Bestos.
Lizzie, I beg, no vex, just sit down. I beg, get what I want to tell you. It's in the bother me.
Bother you?
The thing be say, I don't know how I go tell you. I don't know how you go see him. I know me no concern na me.
First to see, they say a problem shared, the problem solved.
The problem half solved.
I beg, just wait. Okay. Just wait. My speaker.
You reckon now?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, no, how you dey?
Everything there fine. I want to know that I don't reach Onitsha. How Onitsha now?
I don't reach Onitsha, dey fine. Hope say they take care of my business well, oh.
Yes, ma, they take care of your shop well. Ma, no vex, so. That thing where you been tell me that time, say make I tell that fair girl where they work with us, that Lizzie. I beg, I don't forget that thing where you say make I tell her. I beg, if you help me remind me.
Festus. How you go say you don't forget something where I tell you na before I come out, eh? I say make you help me sack that girl. That girl na very useless girl and she get body odor. Na very bad girl and she wants scatter my business. She dey bring bad market for that business. You know say na my husband's sister. Now why I say make you sack am? I won't go bring my sister from village so that she go dey chop something from this my shop. I don't want make she know say na me tell you to sack her.
Okay, ma.
Make this talk dey between me and you alone.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Take care of my shop well.
Thank you.
Oh, last, you don't still talk about her own mouth.
Madam talk say I get body odor. Not true.
Not true.
Na my mouth is 1 year now. If madam say get body odor, get body odor.
I dey bring that market come here.
No, me tell you, na madam talk am.
You don't take time to come. But I don't finally sack you by herself. So last, now the madam still let her sack you by herself. A correct sense the guy use. This kind of crazy this thing it is. So guys, thanks for watching to the very end. I believe you loved it. So you can put it down there in the comment section, your favorite part of the video. I'll be there watching. My favorite part of the video, should I say Kata Efe? The other guy that sent both his girlfriend and his sister away. And this very one that I watched now, this very last one. There's the other ones as well, but I think these three really stood out. You understand? So what's your own favorite part? Drop it right there in the comment section. Make sure you check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. And in case you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please, I'm begging you, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your bell notification to get notified anytime I drop new videos, because I drop videos almost every day. You feel me? So share my video, guys, and see you in my next one. Peace out.